Look at your dashboard. Now look back at me. Is your car actually from 2026, or is it stuck in the Stone Age of 2015? Most people think buying a new car is the only way to get the latest tech, but they're dead wrong. Today, we are counting down 20 of the absolute coolest car gadgets that will transform your daily driver into a high-tech command center. We aren't talking about fuzzy dice here. We're talking 360-degree AI cameras, thermal night vision, and wireless freedom. Let's dive in. First up, let's kill the cable. We've all been there. You hop in the car, fumble for your Lightning or USB-C cable, and pray it doesn't have a short in it. The CarPlay 2 Air wireless Apple CarPlay adapter is the definitive set-it-and-forget-it upgrade. You plug this tiny dongle into your car's existing CarPlay port once, and that's it. From then on, the second you start your engine, your phone connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi automatically. Your maps are up, your Spotify is playing, and your phone stays in your pocket. It's seamless, it's stable, and it eliminates that messy wire cluttering up your center console. Next, let's talk about having eyes in the back of your head and everywhere else. This is the 70-mi dashcam Omni, and it's arguably the smartest dashcam ever built. Unlike traditional cameras that point in one direction, the Omni features a 360-degree rotating design. Using an advanced AI algorithm, it can actually detect suspicious activity around your car while parked and rotate its lens to record the person responsible. If you're driving, it captures 4K quality footage with incredible night vision. But the cool factor comes from its Max AI companion, an emoji-based interface on the screen that reacts to you. It's like having a little robot co-pilot that's also a world-class security guard.
If you think the 70Mi is high-tech, this next one is straight out of a military operation. The Roofinity Insight Drive Thermal Night Vision System. Standard headlights only reach so far, and high beams often blind oncoming traffic. This system uses thermal imaging to detect heat signatures, meaning pedestrians, deer, or cyclists up to 300 meters away, even in total darkness, fog, or blinding rain. The feed displays on a dedicated monitor, highlighting living objects that the human eye simply can't see yet. It doesn't just make your car look like a spy vehicle, it's a genuine lifesaver for long rural hauls or poorly lit suburbs. We've all been there. You take a sharp turn and your phone goes flying into the footwell. Not with the Wishgear twist-lock magnetic vent phone mount. Most vent mounts are flimsy, but this one uses a literal twist-lock mechanism that grips your air vent like a vise. Once it's locked in, it's not going anywhere. The magnetic head is reinforced with high-powered magnets that hold even the heaviest Pro Max phones through thick cases. It's the definition of minimal design meets maximum security. You just tap your phone on, and you're ready for a cross-country trek or a spirited mountain drive without a single wobble. But what if you want that magnetic convenience plus high-speed power? That's where the DGAM 15W magnetic wireless car charger mount comes in. This isn't just a holder, it's a powerhouse. It features a sleek, transparent industrial design that looks incredible at night, revealing the high-tech internal coils. It delivers a true 15-watt fast charge, which is a massive jump over those cheap 5-watt chargers that barely keep your battery level from dropping while using GPS. The magnetic ring aligns perfectly every single time, ensuring you never wake up to a dead phone notification because the cable was slightly loose. It's the ultimate upgrade for anyone who values a clean, cable-free look without sacrificing charging speed. Now let's talk about keeping your eyes on the road. If you've ever looked at a high-end luxury car and envied that holographic speed display on the windshield, the Liyuan M17 Car HUD is your solution. This is a dual-mode system that works via OBD2 for modern cars or GPS for older models. It projects your speed, RPM, water temperature, and even fuel consumption directly onto a dedicated transparent screen or your windshield. It's not just about looking like a fighter pilot, it's about safety. Those 2 seconds you spend looking down at your dashboard to check your speed are 2 seconds you aren't looking at the car braking in front of you. Plus, the M17 has built-in overspeed alarms and fatigue driving reminders, making it the smartest digital upgrade you can plug into your car's diagnostic port.
Imagine you're miles from the nearest gas station and that dreaded low tire pressure light flickers on. Instead of hunting for a sketchy air machine and a handful of quarters, you reach for the AstroAI portable air compressor pump. This 12V powerhouse is compact enough to fit in your glove box, but strong enough to hit 150 psi. You just preset your desired pressure on the large backlit LCD screen, attach the nozzle, and hit go. It automatically shuts off the second it reaches the perfect level, so there's zero guesswork. Whether it's a slow leak in your SUV tire or a flat basketball for the kids, this is the kind of peace of mind gadget that pays for itself the very first time you actually need it. Every time a check engine light pops up, it feels like a $100 bill flying out the window just to have a mechanic tell you what's wrong. The BlueDriver Bluetooth OBD2 scanner puts that power back in your pocket. This isn't a cheap code reader, it's a professional-grade diagnostic tool used by actual mechanics. You plug the sensor into your car's OBD2 port, sync it to the BlueDriver app on your phone, and it gives you a complete health report of your vehicle. It doesn't just give you a cryptic error code, it tells you exactly what the part is, how common the fix is, and even links you to the parts you need. It's like having a master technician riding shotgun 24/7, ensuring you never get ripped off at the repair shop again. We've all dealt with the tragedy of a lukewarm coffee or a soda that's been sitting in a hot car for 20 minutes. The 12V car cup warmer and cooler is the thermoelectric solution to your beverage woes. This smart cup holder uses a Peltier heating and cooling system to keep your drinks exactly how they were meant to be enjoyed. Want your morning latte to stay piping hot during a winter commute? Switch it to heat mode. Need that Red Bull to stay ice cold on a summer road trip? Hit the cooling button. It fits into most standard cup holders and features a digital display to show you the current temperature. It's a small luxury that makes every minute behind the wheel feel just a little more like a first-class flight. Let's be real, cars can start to smell like old fast food or gym bags pretty quickly. Most people hang a cardboard tree from the rearview mirror and call it a day, but we're upgrading. The USB car aromatherapy diffuser is a 100 milliliter powerhouse that fits right into your cup holder. Unlike those chemical-heavy sprays, this uses ultrasonic technology to turn water and a few drops of your favorite essential oil into a fine, cool mist. It's whisper quiet and features color-changing LED lights to set the mood. Whether you need a hit of peppermint to stay alert during a late-night drive or some lavender to survive gridlock traffic, this gadget turns your cabin into a rolling sanctuary. If your commute is longer than 20 minutes, your lower back probably hates you. Enter the Shiatsu seat massage cushion. This isn't just a vibrating pad, it features deep kneading massage nodes that actually mimic the hands of a professional masseuse. It targets your upper back, lower back, and thighs with a built-in heating function that's a godsend on freezing winter mornings. You plug it into your 12V cigarette lighter, strap it over your existing seat, and suddenly being stuck in a 2-hour traffic jam feels like a spa day. It's the ultimate treat-yourself gadget that makes every mile feel shorter. Cleanliness is next to godliness, but in a car, it's usually next to impossible. Trash usually ends up in the door pockets or on the floor mats until now. The Hotor 2-gallon car trash can is the organized driver's secret weapon. It's 100% leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about that half-empty soda cup ruining your upholstery. It features an adjustable strap so you can hang it from the headrest or center console, and a rubberized lid that lets you toss trash in while keeping the mess and the smell completely contained. It's simple, it's rugged, and it keeps your interior looking like it just rolled off the showroom floor.
We've all heard that thud clunk slide sound coming from the trunk when we take a turn too fast. Your groceries, tools, and emergency gear shouldn't be living in a state of chaos. The MIU Collapsible Car Trunk Organizer is the heavy-duty fix. Built with reinforced base plates and sturdy sidewalls, this thing doesn't sag or collapse under pressure. It features multiple compartments and side pockets to categorize everything from your jumper cables to your gym shoes. The best part? It has non-slip strips on the bottom to Velcro itself to your trunk carpet, and when you don't need it, it folds down flat into a tiny profile. It's the ultimate adulting upgrade for your vehicle. This is the one gadget on this list that I hope you never have to use, but you absolutely must have. The Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool is a 2-in-1 lifesaver. It features a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter to free you if your belt jams after an accident, and a double-headed, high-grade carbon steel window breaker. In a water submersion or fire scenario, power windows often fail. This tool lets you shatter tempered glass with a single swing. It comes in a bright orange color so you can find it in the dark, and it's small enough to keep in your door pocket or center console. It's cheap, it's rugged, and it's the most important $5 investment you'll ever make for your family's safety. We've all experienced that oven effect when you open your car door after it's been sitting in the sun for 3 hours. The U-Top solar-powered car fan, often called the sunflower fan, is a clever, eco-friendly solution. This unit clips onto the top of your window and uses a high-efficiency solar panel to power a dual fan system. It constantly pulls out the hot, stagnant air from inside the cabin and replaces it with fresh air from the outside, all while your car is turned off and locked. It's not an air conditioner, but it significantly drops the internal temperature and prevents that burning steering wheel sensation. Plus, it uses zero battery power from your car, relying entirely on the very sun that's trying to heat you up. Let's talk about those tricky, non-flat dashboards. Most phone mounts require a perfectly smooth, flat surface to stick, which many modern cars just don't have. The Lamacall magnetic dashboard pad is a game changer because of its flexible butterfly wing design. The base is made of a soft, bendable material with high-strength 3M adhesive that conforms to curved surfaces, textured leather, or angled plastic. It uses 6 powerful N52 magnets to ensure your phone stays put even on the bumpiest gravel roads. Because these are so low profile and versatile, many drivers use a 2-pack to mount a phone for navigation and a second device or tablet for the passenger. It's the most adaptable mounting solution on the market, period. You walk out of the mall, look at the sea of thousands of cars, and realize you have no idea where you parked. Instead of walking in circles hitting your panic button, just check your phone. The TileMate Bluetooth car tracker is a tiny, water-resistant device you can tuck into your glove box or hide under a seat. Through the Tile app, you can see your car's last known location on a map. While it's great for finding your car in a crowded lot, it also acts as a community-based anti-theft device. If your car is moved, any phone in the Tile network that passes by will silently update its location on your app. It's an incredibly affordable way to add a layer of Find My Car logic to any vehicle without a monthly subscription. Finally, let's add some Rolls-Royce vibes to your daily driver. The EGKima Car Starry Sky Projector is a 2-in-1 atmosphere enhancer. It plugs into your USB port and projects a stunning starlight headliner effect across your entire car ceiling, complete with thousands of stars and nebulae that react to the beat of your music. But it's not just for looks. The base actually houses a high-quality solid air freshener that slowly releases a premium scent as the unit operates. It transforms a boring night drive into an immersive multi-sensory experience. It's the ultimate flex gadget to end our list. And there you have it. 20 gadgets that prove you don't need a 2026 luxury vehicle to have 2026 tech. Whether you're looking for military-grade thermal vision or just a better way to keep your coffee hot, there is something on this list for every driver. If you found something that's going to make your next road trip better, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech finds. Check the links in the description to grab these for your own rig, and let me know in the comments which of these is a must-have for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.